Approved under Section 148 of the Income Tax Act, private reserve is a safe, hands-off way of getting money working for you. Hello, my name is Taylor Mark with Grace Financial Solutions, and I am excited to share with you today this exciting new financial strategy called private reserve. Private reserve is not about wine, but a solution. Approved under Section 148 of the Income Tax Act, private reserve is a safe, hands-off way of getting money working for you. It has been used by top Fortune 500 companies and millionaires and billionaires alike as their tax shelter savings vehicle. It was also recently mentioned in a book by Tony Robbins called Money, Master the Game. Private reserve is an established wealth-building process that allows for estate creation and preservation, tax-free distribution to named heirs, survivor benefits that are much more significant than the accumulated internal values. What I just listed is just the tip of the iceberg. Due to time constraints, I kept the list short. This is what I'm talking about. Using a specially designed life insurance policy as the underlying vehicle that will generate a tax shelter asset that will give you the freedom to have cash flow while allowing you to build that nest egg that we talked about earlier. I know that was a mouthful, so let's unpack this together. First of all, the concept has been around for over 100 years and has been proven to work. You may have a life insurance policy and wonder why it doesn't sound like the way we described, and that's because most advisors are not trained to understand this, and so they can't even tell you about it. Private reserve is beyond just life insurance proceeds. It is an asset that you are creating for your future, but it is available to you now. You would need to set up an investment-grade life insurance policy. The policy protects the investment growth from being taxed. Once equity has built up inside your plan, it becomes your private reserve account with access to cash for things like emergency funding, sizable purchases, your children's education, debt consolidation, retirement income, investment opportunities, and cash flow needs for your business. There is a strategy in place that lets you access the cash in the private reserve account without disrupting the consistent and continuous growth. You are essentially borrowing against the equity, and while there is an interest cost in that, the exponential compounding growth inside the investment will more than offset the expense. With your private reserve account, you can spend when you need to spend and still be saving toward your financial goals. This strategy makes sense, and many people smarter and more fabulous than I are taking advantage of this plan. Why shouldn't you? Please message me directly with your questions, and I will be glad to explain in more detail how private reserve can be designed for your lifestyle. Thank you for sticking with me. I appreciate your attention. Please like this video, share it with your community, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, do so now. I really am looking forward to bringing more ideas to your attention. In Grace Financial Solutions, financial success made simple.